Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fifth Third Bank easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Fifth Third Bank. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the login section. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will see options for different types of accounts. Select the option that matches your account type, such as personal or business. After selecting, a login form will appear. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the provided area. Double-check your information for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your credentials, select the Remember User ID option. When you are ready, click the Login button to proceed. If you forget your user ID or password, click on the appropriate link for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From there, you can access various banking services with ease. That concludes the login process to Fifth Third Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.